Hi dear friends! Moitureshield is a new material which is coming to replace wood decking. This modern composite deck flooring will serve you for a long time if it's well installed and maintained.
Moitureshield products are new materials for decks and patios. They are made with a mixture of recycled polyethylene plastic and recycled wood. This composite material is coming to replace wood, and it has some advanced features. Since 1996, Trex company has invented, defined and perfected the composite deck category, becoming the world's largest manufacturer of wood alternative decking products. Besides flooring strips, the company makes as well special stair railing forms. Current estimates have the lifespan of modern composite decks at between 30–50 years, depending on how well they were installed and maintained. Black spots on composite decking are often caused by mold, mildew, tanning stains, or simply accumulated dirt and debris. These fungi thrive in moist shaded areas, especially when organic matter like leaves or dirt collected. So, remove leaves from your deck on regular basis. To make your composite deck cleaning solution, use following ingredients: 1 gallon of warm water, white vinegar 1 cup, 1/4 cup of baking soda, plus 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Use a soft bristled plastic brush. Douse it into water and scrub the stains well. Then you can rinse your deck with a hose. If the area of contamination on your deck is big, it's better to use a common tested store-bought solution called Collier Manufacturing 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner. You can attach your hose to the bottle nozzle and rinse your deck with it, removing dirt and mold.